yeah, this is part 2 of my series, and if you haven't done so yet, check out part 1 right here.
On top of my list is for sure, wherever it is, Seljalandsfoss. In summer you actually can walk behind it. Right now it's all closed up because it's way too slippery. It's fairly close to Reykjavik, so if you're just doing a, like a layover, weekend layover. Alright, the next photo and film location is a canyon in the south of Iceland, which I cannot pronounce. Fjallaglöfugljufur. The best way to shoot this location is from the front, which has beautiful falling lines, and it gives you an idea of the sheer size of this canyon. I'm here at Kyrkjufell. This is definitely a spot you want to check out. Alright guys, we just wrapped a flight at Skaftafeldsjökull. And the only tip I have really here for you guys in terms of filming is that you need a permission to fly in this national park area. I'm still in Skaftafell National Park, and right behind me is Svartifoss. The one tip, try to get close. However, in winter it can be super slippery and icy down there. You have to get crampons, hook them up to your feet, and then go down there. Let's check it out. I'm right here, still in the south of Iceland, at Jökulsárlón, which is this glacier lake over here. What actually happens is there are parts of the glacier that break off and then hover around in the glacier lake until they're small enough to go out to a little river which goes right behind me here. You see the bridge, and then they get washed on the shore again as these little ice cubes here, which make a fantastic photo opportunity. Let's go on to the next location. And now I'm in Reykjavik, the northernmost capital in the world. Stands out to me is the street art, and they have local and global street artists coming in here. Alright, this is the end of my trip across the beautiful island of Iceland. I hope you enjoyed tagging along and exploring these amazing places. Check out Arctic Adventures and Troll Expeditions. I left the links in the description below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so more people can see it. Share it with your friends. And if you want to see more of my stuff, I made a video on winter camping in Iceland. Or hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Thanks so much for watching whenever you are around this beautiful planet. And I'm completely frozen. Bye bye.